Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create an automated gate control system. Please stay tuned as I run you through the process. These are the list of components needed for the project. And this is the circuit connection diagram. This will guide us in connecting our components later in the video. So first off, I started by creating a vehicle out of cardboard, which I'll be using to test my gate once the project is completed. You might not need to do this if you have a toy vehicle or a robotic vehicle to test. This project is a simple DIY project you can do at home or at school for learning purposes. Please like and share and subscribe to our channel to help us grow. Thank you. So next up, I'm going to be connecting my components on the breadboard using the circuit diagram shown at the start of the video. The supply from the Arduino is sent to the breadboard, which is 5 volt and ground, and this supply goes to both the ultrasonic sensor and the servo motor. The other pins, which include the trig and the echo pin for the ultrasonic sensor, are connected to pin 8 and 9 of the Arduino UNO board, and then the servo motor signal pin is also connected to pin 11 on the Arduino UNO board. Next up, we are going to be testing our connection to ensure that everything is working fine before coupling. A base was designed to hold the entire system, and the servo motor was carefully mounted. Kindly do well to calibrate your servo motor before mounting to be sure of the position, the exact angle at which it will be placed. This is the final result of our automated gate control system. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.